Hello everyone. So in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about methods in JavaScript objects. So by methods in JavaScript object we can say any function which is defined inside the object is known as methods. So I have already declared an object, and if I want to write suppose something like get all posts, so this is the function I want to write. However, there are some rules. You can't write something like this. Okay, if you do like this and see, it says, yeah, it's giving you syntax errors. So you can't write regular function or even a fat arrow function. Okay, so it should be fat arrow, sorry for the spelling mistake. So what you need to do is write suppose get all posts colon function. Why is like this? Everywhere we write function in one way. This is how it is, and this is the syntax, so you have to obey this. So get all the posts, and now if you write something like this, const get all posts equals to this, you see here you're also getting error. So you cannot write fat arrow function. Yeah, so you can't write regular function or fat arrow function inside object. Okay, so now if I want to invoke this, invoke the method, so it is inside the object, and sorry, just I need to write posts dot get all posts, and if you run this script, okay, here there might be some sort of error or anything. I don't know why it's giving me undefined, but let us now go through. Okay, so I was getting this error because we don't need to write console log here. Okay, so yeah, now you see get all the posts. So what I was doing is I was trying to invoke the method, and I was trying to do it the usual way, but here you don't need to write this. So as you see, it's very simple. That is, this is a method and it's invoked with a dot notation. So you can't write function inside objects like regular function or even a fat arrow function inside an object. So what you need to do is do like this and give a colon and write function and this. A much cleaner way is get all posts, and if you just copy and paste this is giving me an error because I already invoked this function with dot notation. So now if you run this script, so that is very much it, and I hope you understand how you can write a method inside an object. So you already know many things about an object, and hopefully in the next tutorial we'll talk about array of objects and things like this. This probably would be the next tutorial. So that is very much it, and thank you.